How to add Instagram feed on your Google site website. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Instagram feed on your Google Sites website. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to add your Instagram feed on your website that you're creating on Google Sites, this is what you do. So you won't find any option here on the Google site itself to add the Instagram feed. What you need to do is you'll need to create a widget from a from another website and then embed it right here from the embed option. So what we'll do here is we'll open up another tab, search for elf site. We head over to elfsite.com and this is the website. After you head over to elfsite.com, you'll find the widget option. Make sure you log in as well. Logging in is very simple. All you have to do is log in with Google and then head over to this widget option. After you tap on widget option, you'll find the list of widgets. From there, you'll find Instagram feed as well. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you can then press on create widget for free. After you do that, you will then be able to see this option where you can edit your widget. You can choose how you want your widget to look like. So this is basically the template or layout of your widget. I'll just tap on continue with this template and then you can add a source. So tap on add source, you can tap on account and you can enter a username. And after you add a username, tap on search. Then after you tap on search, you can simply find your account. Now, if this does not work, you can use the hashtags as well. So previously there was this hashtag, the yummy one. So let's go with this. After you do this, tap on add to website. You can also add filters and sortings. So let's just do this and it will start saving a widget and it will give you a code which you'll need to head over to your Google Sites and embed it. I'll show you what to do. So let's tap on publish once there's the publish option. There we go. Tap on publish. After you do that, you'll find the code right here. Let me choose this free option. And after doing that, it'll give me the code. So there we go. Copy the code. Come back here. Select the space you want to add your Instagram feed in. Then head over to embed. On your embed, choose embed code. Then paste whatever you copied right here. Then tap on next. Doing that, your Instagram feed will start loading up. You can tap on insert and again you can play with the placement a bit. And yeah, this can take some time to load, but after it loads, it'll give you this option which we saw previously, the yummy one, and you'll start seeing the post pictures right here. And that's basically how you embed your Google Sites with your Instagram feed. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.